Hi everyone, happy Halloween. We've got another little monthly catch-up video for you here, which we hope you'll enjoy. We have had an awesome second month here. We had our first guests over and starting to feel a bit more settled, which is great. A couple of you have requested that we do an apartment tour, so I'll do that briefly now, and then we will get into a bit of the highlights from the last month. Hope to see you all soon. Take care. Alright, so apartment tour. We come in here straight away into the kind of open plan living, dining, eating space. With the nice palm trees. Record player. And then it brings you into the pretty small little kitchen. Lots of cupboard space. Bit of a larder area. And then we do have, not exactly a balcony, more like a little laundry space outside. And here's the bar. And then we come into the master bedroom, which is pretty nice size. Lots of natural light, which we like. And then the ensuite bathroom. Back through the bar, and then we get to the guest room, which you'll need to use your imagination a little bit. We still got little Teddy's cot in here, but this will be where a lot of you will be staying over the next few months. Spare guest bathroom, and then my office, which is super nice and spacious. Again, quite tropical views, and then my desk. Thought I'd give you a bit of a tour of the outside of the building as well. That's us here-ish. Okay, so we come through the side bit here and we get to the pool area. Got a gym, weird function party room. And then just in here you have a bit of a barbecue area. And then just at the back here is our tennis court, if you should manage to be able to get it booked on a day where it isn't raining a lot. And there you go.